Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Craving a hearty and flavorful meal that's packed with protein? Look no further than egg pulao, a classic Indian rice dish that's perfect for any occasion. With its aromatic spices, fluffy rice and tender eggs, egg pulao is a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Today I'll guide you through the simple steps to create this delicious dish right in your own kitchen. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Join me as I share the secret of making the most flavorful egg pulao. I'm also going to show you how to cook a perfect boiled egg in this recipe. If you follow these simple steps which I'm going to show you, then every time you will make a perfect boiled egg. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this authentic Indian recipe. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first keep water for boiling. Then add 8 eggs. Add some salt to taste. And then cover it and bring it to boil. And boil it for about 4 minutes. Turn off the flame and rest it in the hot water for about 10 minutes. Then transfer it in cold water and rest it again for another 5 minutes. Then simply peel off the shells. Then similarly peel all the other eggs. Then take 2 boiled eggs and simply crush it with a fork. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, and then fry this for few seconds. Then add 6 boiled eggs and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure the flame is on medium to low. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in the same pan add crushed boiled eggs and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in the same pan add oil, add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 6 cloves, 2 star anise, 2 black cardamom, 3-inch cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, 8 green cardamom, and fry this for few seconds. Then add 3 onions sliced and fry it until the onion is nice and light brown. Something like this. Then add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 3 green chilies, and fry it for 2 minutes. Then add 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1.5 tablespoon garam masala, handful of chopped coriander leaves, handful of chopped mint leaves, and fry the masala for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 6 cup water. Add some salt to taste. Add 5 stock cubes and then give this a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Add 3 cups Basmati rice washed and soaked for 20 minutes. And then give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook the rice for about 80%. Something like this. Then add the crushed boiled eggs. And add some fried onion. Then simply add boiled eggs and then cover it and cook the rice completely. So the rice is cooked, and then give this a nice mix. Turn off the flame and cover it and allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. And there you have it guys, a delicious and aromatic egg pulao. The perfect blend of flavors and textures that will leave you craving more. Serve this hearty dish with a side of raita or a refreshing salad for a complete meal. Don't forget to share your culinary creation with us, tagging us on social media. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just starting out, egg pulao is a versatile and satisfying recipe that's perfect for any occasion. From family dinners to potlucks, this dish is sure to impress. For more delicious recipes and cooking tips, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to get all the latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.